Welcome to Vander Haag's, your trucks and parts headquarters. As a family-owned company for over 80 years, we are a name you can rely on in the heavy-duty industry. We offer a vast selection of quality inspected used parts as well as new and rebuilt parts, backed by an industry-leading warranty. Our in-house dedicated support staff is here to assist you every step of the way. Vander Haag's has been a trusted industry leader in heavy-duty solutions for more than 8 decades. Our commitment to quality, reliability, and sustainability has made us the go-to destination for businesses and individuals, whether you need new, rebuilt, or used parts. With our knowledgeable and experienced customer support staff, we're always here to help you, our valued customer. Here at Vander Haag's, we're on a mission to be the North American leader in sustainable heavy-duty solutions. From eco-friendly practices to reducing waste, Vander Haag's is committed to making a positive impact on our environment, whether it's with new, rebuilt, or used parts. When it comes to heavy-duty solutions, Vander Haag's is the name you can trust. Our decades of experience, commitment to quality, and dedication to sustainability sets us apart. Whether you need new, rebuilt, or used parts, click, order, and experience the Vander Haag's difference today. Visit us online at vanderhaags.com or give us a call at 877-860-5030 to learn more about how we can meet your heavy-duty trucking needs. Find out today why Vander Haag's has been a trusted industry leader for more than 80 years.